What if AI could act like a human assistant, but completely secure? What if every AI action was controlled, audited, and impossible to misuse? Is this possible? Today, we are witnessing something big. This is not just another AI tool. This is the birth of an entirely new category, the Enterprise Agentic Operating System, OS. And at the center of it, NVIDIA again. NemoClaw. Let me show you why this changes everything. This is a foundational shift, not an incremental update. We are moving from apps to AI assistants to AI agents. We have covered several videos on it. And now we are into agentic OS, operating system. NemoClaw is positioned as infrastructure layer for AI agents, like Linux for servers, Android for phones. NemoClaw is AI agents. This is where AI stops being a tool and it becomes a system. OpenClaw created a massive explosion of adoption. Just like Linux started small and became dominant. Key points: 50,000 skills ecosystem, autonomous AI workflows. This proves AI agents are not hype, they are inevitable. By the way, we are creating a zero to hero OpenClaw video series where you can begin using it safely. So stay tuned. OpenClaw didn't just grow, it triggered a movement. Enterprises said no. Why? Major risks: API leakage, credential theft, remote code execution, meta LangChain environments. Because AI agents had power without control. Powerful but dangerous. NemoClaw wraps OpenClaw inside NVIDIA OpenShell sandbox. Installed via just a single line NemoClaw on board. What it does: converts risky tool to secure system, applies strict policies automatically. Same power, completely controlled. So essentially it runs OpenClaw inside a Kubernetes cluster within a Docker environment itself. OpenClaw, consumer focused, weak security. NemoClaw, enterprise ready, multi-layer security, compliance ready, hardware agnostic, so it can run even on your CPUs. This is the key transition, that is experiment to production. This is where AI becomes deployable. Three core components: agent, executes workflows; sandbox, open shell, enforces zero trust; inference, connects to AI models. This separation is security plus scalability. Each layer does one job perfectly. Before you install, note that this requires Docker and it runs as an isolated container. No root access, limited by file access. Important: AI cannot escape the system. The agent lives in a box and cannot break out. This is the core innovation. SecComp blocks system calls, landlock blocks file access, NetNS isolates network. All three must be bypassed simultaneously, which is practically impossible. Even if one layer fails, the others protect you. Per binary network control, only approved apps can connect. Cryptographic logging. Every action is tracked and enterprise compliance ready. Nothing is hidden, everything is traceable. Works with NVIDIA Cloud, NIM. Local hardware, not locked to GPU. That is something interesting. And supports even Apple Silicon. But installation in Apple Silicon is slightly tricky. We will create a video on it. Privacy router decides where to run. Run anywhere, stay secure everywhere. Fully automated onboarding, setup, sandbox, security policies, one command, NemoClaw onboard. From weeks to minutes. Enterprise security without complexity. Already working sandbox, security layers, cloud inference. Limitations: local DNS issues, Docker runner blocked, but roadmap is clear. Early stage, but incredibly promising. So installation is slightly tricky. You need to enable Kubernetes on your Docker desktop and also enable socket. So in your Docker desktop settings, come to advanced and allow the default Docker socket to be used. This should be check marked. And Kubernetes should be enabled. Okay. OpenClaw plus OpenShell plus NIM is agentic OS. This is scalable, secure, and governable. Future SaaS will be built on this. This is the OS layer for the AI economy. Define your policies, deploy your agent, start with NemoClaw on board. But remember, you need to enable Docker, enable Kubernetes, and also allow socket access to Docker host. The infrastructure is ready today. The future of AI is not coming. It is already here. We are moving from AI tools to AI systems to AI operating systems. And NemoClaw is leading that transformation. The real question is not, will AI agents become mainstream? The real question is, will you be ready when they do? Tell me in the comments, would you deploy AI agents in your business? And are you using OpenClaw already? Like, subscribe, share this with someone building AI. This is TechieTalksAI, and we are building the future one system at a time.